The wait is over. We're rolling out 90,000 new recycling carts in Henrico, Hanover, and Goochland. I'm Kim Hines, Executive Director of the Central Virginia Waste Management Authority. I can say this is the largest project we've ever taken on. We're so grateful to our many partners for making this project a reality. Recycling with the cart will have a lot of benefits. Some people have been recycling with the small bins, and the cart can hold 4 times more. The lid will keep the recyclables dry and from blowing around, plus the wheels will make it easier to place at the curb. There are some features that make these carts unique. The carts are made with 35% post-consumer recycled plastic. 10% of that is from our own recycling, so your recycled plastics like laundry detergent and shampoo bottles are being recycled right back into your recycling cart. Some plastic was also recovered from old Henrico County trash carts. This shows people that recycling is real and demonstrates our commitment to repurposing waste so it contributes to a more circular economy. Once residents receive their cart, they can start using it right away. We know that some people haven't recycled before, so every cart will come with instructions. And that's the most exciting part of this, increasing access for people to get involved in curbside recycling and realizing the benefits. CVWMA was established in 1990 to assist localities with recycling and solid waste planning. Today we have 13 member jurisdictions that participate in recycling and solid waste programs. Recycling remains an important tool for better managing our region's solid waste. When we recycle, we keep valuable materials out of the landfills, we protect the environment, and we have less need to source raw materials for manufacturing. Plus, we grow the economy. About 700,000 U.S. jobs are tied to recycling and reuse. The new carts will have a big impact on our regional recycling program. Nearly everyone recycling at the curb will have a cart. Our region consistently recycles around 58% of its waste. That's huge, but more is even better. We hope that residents of Henrico, Hanover, and Goochland enjoy their new carts and make recycling a part of their daily routine.